Alright, let's jump right in. Today I'm showing you how to turn an ordinary coffee can into a hobo stove, just like those classic Boy Scout hacks. This little DIY project is perfect for camping trips, backyard hangouts, or even prepping for an emergency. Plus, you get to recycle something you'd normally toss out. That's a win-win. First things first, safety, gloves on, goggles on. Cutting metal is no joke, so keep those fingers safe. Grab your empty coffee can, the larger the better. You'll also need a can opener, a sturdy pocket knife or tin snips, and a screwdriver or punch tool. Start by removing both ends of the can. If your can has a plastic lid, just pop that off and save it for later. Use a can opener or your tin snips to cut the bottom out. Careful. Those edges will be sharp. Next, on the side near the bottom, cut out a door about 2 inches high and 3 inches wide. This is where you'll feed in your fuel, twigs, pine cones, whatever you find lying around. If you want extra airflow, punch a few holes around the bottom edge with your screwdriver. That'll help your fire burn nice and hot. Now flip the can over and use your punch or screwdriver to poke a circle of holes around the top. These are your ventilation holes. They let the smoke out and keep the flames going strong. And that's it. You've just made a hobo stove out of stuff you had lying around. Place your stove on a fireproof surface outside, load it up with small sticks or dried pine cones, and light it up. Rest a small pot or pan on top, and boom, you're cooking. It's amazing how a simple coffee can turn into a mini cook stove with just a few tools and a bit of creativity. Whether you're reliving some Boy Scout nostalgia or just want a fun project, this hobo stove is a cheap, easy way to cook up a meal wherever you are. So next time you finish your coffee, don't throw that can away. Turn it into something awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like this DIY, smash that like button and subscribe for more clever builds and old school life hacks. Catch you on the next project.